How to view and configure general security settings on the HP Color LaserJet Pro printer series. You can change general security settings such as session timeout and USB port access by opening the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. To access the EWS, select the Menu option from the printer control panel. Scroll to the Info option and select it. Select the Connectivity option from the menu. Select the Wi-Fi section in the Connectivity menu and then print or take note of the IP address. Open a web browser, type the IP address into the URL search field, and then press Enter to open the embedded web server. If prompted that the connection is not private or that accessing the website might not be safe, select the option to continue or proceed to the website. Accessing this website will not harm the computer. Expand the Security menu on the left-hand side and then select General Security. If prompted, enter your password or PIN into the field and then select Sign In. Use the Status tab to view how general security options are currently configured. Select the Configure tab at the top of the General Security window. Use the plus and minus buttons under EWS Session Timeout to set the time in minutes in which the EWS session will time out. Click the Control Panel in Activity Timeout Seconds drop-down menu and select the number of seconds from the list in which the control panel will time out when there is no activity. The Hardware port section allows you to toggle direct ports USB and host USB plug-and-play on or off by toggling the switch underneath each one. To print from a computer directly to the printer using a USB connection, the direct port's USB setting must be enabled. To use USB accessories, the host USB plug-and-play setting must be enabled. When finished, click Apply to save the changes. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.